component of force. Write down here. In general, when force is a 3D vector, it can have three mutually perpendicular components in x, y and z direction. For two-dimensional or planar case, it will have two mutually perpendicular components given as, so look here, let's say this is a body and a force on the body is acting like this at point A, at point A. What will happen? Point of application is A. This is the case. If A is the point of application or tail is the, then you will draw the component at tail. That's it. Okay. So now here, this is the body and on the body at point A, force is acting like this. Now you have to draw two components. So first of all, you will draw two standard axes, x-axis and y-axis, x-axis and y-axis. Then draw perpendicular on both the axes like this. Okay. Now x component will be like this and y component will be like this. So this will be called x component and this will be called y component. If it is making angle theta with this, then x component will become cos theta, f cos theta. Okay. And this will become f sin theta. But if in some question they are not giving the angle with the x-axis, they are giving you the angle with y-axis. In that case, fx will become what? F sin beta. And fy will become what? F cos beta. Okay, because cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Okay. Now, Hindi English mix will be there, don't worry, because many students are there from South India, they are not able to understand complete Hindi, so mix रहेगा. और लिख तो रहा ही हूं मैं साथ में, तो थोड़ा आराम आराम से फीलिंग लो, डोंट वरी. So wherever the point of application, there you will draw the component, and component in 3D can be 3, but in our case, in our syllabus, only coplanar force system is there, so only two component we will be studying in general questions. Okay, so two component will be like this. So this force you can write like this as two component. This is point A and let us assume this is point B. Okay, so here what you will write? Force vector. So force vector will be simply vector from A to B, first thing. Now x component कितना बना? x component कितना बना? X component fx you are getting cos theta. In terms of theta it is cos theta, f cos theta. And y component कितना बना? It is f sin theta. Okay, second thing. Now for the full vector form, you can write it like this. Total force vector can be written like this, yes or no? So simply you can write it like this also. F cos theta I plus f sin theta j. तो वेक्टर हम कल कर ही चुके हैं कंप्लीट. So you know this thing very well. Now what will be the magnitude of the force? So magnitude will become simply fx square plus fy square. Okay, so this will be your magnitude. You can write it here, magnitude. What will be the direction here? So direction we will take always from x-axis. So in this triangle A, B and C, you can see tan theta equals to, this height will be equal to fy, this base is equal to fx, so fy over fx. So this will be your डायरेक्शन. या एक लाइन और लिख दो इसके आगे, थीटा विल बी इक्वल टू tan इनवर्स fy over fx like this. Very good. नोट हो गया यहां तक? नाइस. सो सिंपली इन वेरी ब्यूटीफुल फॉर्म द कंपोनेंट ऑफ फोर्सेस विल बी लाइक दिस. अभी देखो ये सिंपल फॉर्मूला लिखा है, यहाँ फोर्स फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में जा रहा है, फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में कोई दिक्कत नहीं रहती है. वाई? बिकॉज दिस x component is positive and the y component is also positive, so no problem you are facing, no problem you are facing. Yes or no? Now if we talk about all the four quadrant, so in all different four quadrant, if I draw the force like this is in first quadrant. Okay, now I am drawing the x and y axis here. So simply its components will be like this. All four axes we are going to draw. Sorry, all four quadrant. So for first quadrant, look here, its x component will be positive, its y component will be also positive. Okay, for second quadrant, y component will be positive but x component will become negative. Okay, for third quadrant, x component will be negative and y component will be also negative. Okay. For the fourth quadrant, force will be here like this, and these will be the components. So in this case, force is this, this, and this. Components are like this. This is fx. So it will be plus cos theta. This will be fy. So this will be plus sin theta. In this case, fx will become negative f cos theta if this angle is theta. Fy will be plus f sin theta. Next, if this angle is given to you theta, fx is negative and fy is also negative. Same is the case here. This fy will be also negative and this fx will be positive actually. Okay, positive actually. What will happen due to this? इससे क्या होगा? इससे क्या होगा? इससे ये होगा कि हर बार थीटा जो है, look here, theta formula having fx and fy, and in different quadrant fx and fy are becoming positive negative like this. So theta will become positive or negative. Okay, so इस पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव प्रॉब्लम को हम हटा देंगे. मैं इसमें मॉड लगाने जा रहा हूं. मॉड यू नो ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. सो व्हाट वी विल डू, if you will check in first case, here fy is positive, fx is also positive, theta will be positive. Yes or no? Second case, fx is negative, fy is positive, so this will be negative. Yes or no? Theta will be negative. Third case, negative, so it will become positive. Okay, and in this case, this is negative, this is positive, so total will be negative. Okay, so here इस प्रॉब्लम को आप कैसे समझेंगे? देखो जरा ध्यान से. दिस फर्स्ट थीटा इज एक्चुअली एंटी क्लॉकवाइज, so this is positive. Okay, second theta, this is actually clockwise you are considering. Yes or no? That's why it is negative. Third, बहुत बेसिक बात चल रही है, you are going from x axis, so it will be anti clockwise, so in this case it will be positive. Yes or no? And fourth case, you are coming clockwise from the x axis, so in this case it will be negative. That's why from the formula you will get positive negative theta in all the cases. Why? Because in first case it is anti-clockwise, second case clockwise, third case anti-clockwise, fourth case clockwise. Okay, so to remove this problem of positive and negative, many students are confused. We will make a rule. Okay, what is the rule? Always consider theta from x-axis and draw the components properly. तो पहले हम डायग्राम बना दिया करेंगे. Then find theta equals to tan inverse mod of fy over fx. तो हमें सिर्फ उसकी मॉड वैल्यू से मतलब रहेगा कि थीटा कितना है, लेकिन बनाना कहां से होगा? एक्स एक्सिस से बनाना होगा. क्लियर है? तो प्लस माइनस की कभी कोई टेंशन नहीं होगी. हमें बाकायदा सोचना पड़ेगा हमारा फोर्स फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में जा रहा है या सेकंड में या थर्ड में या फोर्थ में, ये तो दिमाग में बिठाना होगा पिक्चर, और थीटा का बस वैल्यू उठाना होगा, दैट्स इट। ओके, रेस्ट थिंग वी विल अंडरस्टैंड व्हेन वी विल बी डूइंग न्यूमेरिकल। न्यूमेरिकल्स जब करेंगे तो बाकी सारी चीज भी अगर थोड़ा बहुत डाउट है तो बन जाएगी आपकी। ओके, नोट हो गया यहां तक, आगे बढ़ा जाए।